अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एवरीडे साइंस। एवरीडे साइंस के हवाले से बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी, तो गाइस आप लोगों ने वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखना है। व्हाट इज द सिंबल ऑफ गोल्ड? AU. In which system of units gas bills are charged? BTU. The human blood is divided into dash groups. 4 groups. Which planet is called Great Red Spot? Jupiter. Which is the heaviest metal? Osmium. Human bone does not contain boron. Inside which organ is the gallbladder located? Liver. How many pairs of walking legs does a cockroach have? 3. Which of the following is affected by rickets in the human body? Bones. P waves is a term associated with earthquake. What Enrico Fermi invented? Nuclear. Animals living in the tree trunks are known as arboreal. Sericulture is the study of which discipline? Silk production. Who invented aspirin in 1897? Felix Hoffman. In Homo spines, the fertilization occurs in the dash oviduct. Which bone in the human body is not directly attached to the other bones? Hyoid. The average acceleration caused by gravity per second is 32 feet. Which is the purest form of water? Rainwater. How many latitude lines are there? 180. Who said that light is made of corpuscles or particles? Newton. The turning effect of force is called dash. Torque. Which instrument is used for viewing the sun? Heliograph. Which of the following invention is oldest? Clock. Hepatitis C is a leading cause of chronic liver disease. Which of the following is used in beauty parlors for hair setting? Sulfur. A doctor who specializes in diseases of the nose? Rhinologist. The only vitamin which cannot be stored in the human body? Vitamin C. What is the medical term for fever? Pyrexia. What is the molecular weight of ammonia? 17.031 gram. Main and excessive part of plasma consists of water. How many chambers are in the human heart? 4. An example of gas having monoatomic molecules is neon and argon. Who discovered the polio vaccine? Jonas Salk. Which of the following is used as a lubricant? Graphite. Symbol of iron is Fe. Speed of sound in air is dash kilometer, 1235. Long sight defect could be corrected by using dash lens, convex lens. The most abundant element in the universe is hydrogen. When white light is passed through a prism, it splits into dash colors. 7. For proper formation of teeth, dash is essential. Fluorine. The gas commonly known as laughing gas is nitrous oxide. Sedimentary rocks are porous. German silver is an alloy of Cu plus Ni. Tibia is a bone found in the leg. So thank you so much guys। तो वीडियो को एंड में लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्द मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।